The murder trial of a Duxbury mother accused of killing her 3 young children is underway right now in Plymouth Superior Court. Jury selection began this morning, and the case is expected to last several weeks. Thanks for joining us. I'm Paula Eben. Lindsay Clancy has pleaded not guilty to 3 counts of first-degree murder in the 2023 deaths of her children. WBZ's Jordan Jagalinzer is at the courthouse with a look at what jurors can expect to hear once testimony begins.
Jury selection began here this morning at Plymouth Superior Court. 130 potential jurors are now filling out questionnaires. They'll go through their mental health history and the extensive witness list to determine whether or not they'll be one of the 18 jurors. Lindsay Clancy in court for day 1 of her trial. The Duxbury mother faces murder charges in the deaths of her 5-year-old daughter Cora, 3-year-old son Dawson, and her 8-month-old baby Callan from January of 2023. Prosecutors allege Clancy used exercise bands to kill her kids before trying to take her own life. She was paralyzed after jumping out a window the night of the murders. The judge starting Monday's proceedings, allowing a motion from the Commonwealth to exclude 4 expert witnesses the defense provided.
We weren't clear as to whether the doctors were people she had worked with in the past or if they were experts.
Clancy's defense is prepared to argue that she was misdiagnosed and over-medicated, causing psychosis at the time of the alleged murders.
I have an emergency room doctor. He's a board-certified emergency room doctor that I consult with. She coded on this fake suicide. She coded and literally her heart stopped at Brigham and Women's Hospital. I need to know terms that I don't understand.
Her attorney had hoped to use those witnesses to plead her case. The judge saying they can revisit those witnesses later on.
As the case unfolds, if you feel it's something said that was unexpected or inconsistent with the earlier disclosure, by all means, come on up to the sidebar and we can talk about that.
Meanwhile, jurors would be excluded if they know anyone on the witness list. They are going through the names of 200 people who could be called to testify, including Clancy's husband, who supports her claims of over-medication. WBZ legal analyst Jennifer Roman says this could be a lengthy trial. One of the reasons there is also a larger than normal jury being selected.
The judge is guaranteeing that even if people cannot continue to serve on that jury for whatever reason, there will be sufficient jurors.
Several potential jurors already noted here this morning that they knew Lindsay Clancy or members of her family. The judge told them that the trial is likely going to take 6 to 8 weeks. In Plymouth, Jordan Jagalinzer, WBZ News.